Here is how to add a tutorial which your users will be able to view. Browse the catalog, resources, videos, and then tutorial section. There are two ways to add tutorial: self-manually and individually, thanks to the Add Tutorials button. In bulk, using an import file. Let us look at the manual add. Enter a unique ID and a name. Upload a picture. Choose a license. Enter the source or link of the video. There are two possibilities. Using video URL, you can enter a link from YouTube or Vimeo. You have hosted the video in DiLeaP. Check this box. Then search for your video in the list that shows up. Finally, if you want to categorize your video, use the different tags on your platform. If you have checked the active box, as soon as it is registered, your tutorial will be viewable in the tutorial page of your platform if it has been activated. You will also be able to integrate this tutorial into a specific module to offer it and to fill a course, for example.